to remove my makeup, but today I wanted to try something from Drunk Elephant. You guys know that is my brand. So I picked up this makeup melt and I decided to try it, and guys, I am so in love with this. I now use this as my go-to, but when I run out, I will go back to Bliss because it is cheaper and they do the same thing. This came with exfoliating boosters, as I showed you guys. I just mixed that in my hand and now I'm rubbing it all over my face. I am an exfoliating queen, as you will see in this video. I love to exfoliate at any chance I get, so that was just extra bonus for me. These wipes are actually double-sided. Only one side exfoliates and the other side cleanses. So initially I wipe off my face with the cleansing side just to get all the first wave of makeup off, and then I go back through with the other side. That's the exfoliating side, because I told y'all I love exfoliating. This is my go-to facial cleanser. I have tried so many, but I always return to this one. It has foam, which makes me believe my face is clean no matter what. I love suds when it comes to any type of wash, facial wash, body wash. I love suds. So no matter what, I always come back to this cleanser. I've been using it for years. I actually don't remember what I was using before this. This little spin brush I got it from Walmart. It's cheap as fuck. Go get y'all one. It has changed my skin life. You really do not need expensive tools, brushes, any of that for your makeup or your skin to be bomb. Like, I am a hardcore believer of that. Next, I'm going to go in with this micellar water as like my last final step of making sure that I have removed makeup from my face completely. I go around once my face, and then I take a second pad and I go back around the perimeter of my face, just because that's where I have my most problem areas. So I really want to make sure that I remove the makeup from there. I know this seems like a lot of steps, but when you've been wearing makeup all day, it literally absorbs into your skin, so you really want to make sure you get in there and you clean it deeply so you don't break out. Going to my first true love, the T.L.C. Babyfacial. I'm not gonna lie, this shit burns. Like, a lot. But it is so worth it. I love this. It basically resurfaces your face, so all those dark spots, they're gone. It evens out your skin tone and it makes it bright and radiant. Leave this on Then you come back and you wipe it off. Now I will admit, when I first got this product, I was not wiping it off. I was just going to sleep in it. Don't do that. Next, I'm going with this Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 toner. This is also one of my holy grails that I've been using since the dawn of time. It literally prevents your breakouts from happening before they know they want to happen. And like it says, it fights the breakouts you already have. I concentrate this mostly on those problem areas, but I do my whole face eventually. Drunk Elephant moisturizer. Honestly, by this time, if you really can't tell, like, Drunk Elephant is my go-to holy grail skincare line. Where have you been? Now, I actually use 2 moisturizers, and that's because my forehead likes to break out in these little irritating bumps. Like, they're not complete breakouts, they're not pimples, but they're just there, and they're annoying. And so I use the pink watermelon moisturizer because that works for my forehead bumps, but it doesn't necessarily do what I need it to do for the rest of my face. Hence, Drunk Elephant. When in doubt, Drunk Elephant it out. That was bad, but whatever. They should sponsor me at this point though, so whatever. Last but not least, the Vaseline. Y'all already know what it is. Keep them lips from getting crusty. That's all it is to it. I love this Vaseline. Vaseline's good for everything, honestly, y'all. But that concludes my whole makeup removal skincare routine. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button or that notification button and follow me on all my social media. See y'all at my next video.